Today for reading and writing, our two books are called A Story by Gail Haley and Africa by Alan Fowler. So to do the reading portion of your assignment, click on one of the titles and that will take you to the BookFlix website. Remember, if you are not automatically logged in and you need to log in, you can go back to the assignment and reading instruction slide number 2 will have the new login information if you need it. So you can watch the story and read the book. So you're watching the story, a story, and you can then read the book, Africa, and then you can do the puzzlers, so the word match, fact or fiction, which came first, and you can dive deeper, explore the web, and meet the creators. When you are all done with your reading portion of the assignment, you can go to your Scholastic News Journal to do your writing. So you're going to write about something that you found interesting. The sentence starter is, I notice. So you type, I notice, you finish the sentence, and you put a period. Then you're going to respond to a question that you had. I wonder. So type in the sentence starter, I wonder. Complete your question and put a question mark at the end. Last but not least, you're going to write about a connection that you made as you were reading. This book reminds me of is your sentence starter. When you're done, make sure that there is a period at the end. When you are done with this, press the X and the blue turn-in button and make sure to log into Imagine Learning for 30 minutes and then practice reading either on Epic Books, in the books that I sent you from Walmart, or you can listen to Miss Penfield's story, Narwhal's Otter Friend. All right, happy reading.